Negosyo Goals! Kasama pa rin natin si Miss Jan ng Bayong Republic and Mr. Peter Hiner of Pedritos Pasalubong. At ngayon naman ay makakasama natin muli si Sir Ian Guanzon from Global Dominion Financing Incorporated to give us some tips and advice kung paano pa mas mapapalago ni na Miss Ja and Sir Peter ang kanilang mga negosyo. Sir Ian, meet Miss Ja and Mr. Peter. Sir Ian, may question lang ako. So, since sila kasi nabanggit nila kanina na nag-expand na sila after na ma-feature sila sa Negosyo Goals, paano nila may improve yung kanilang cash flow management para masigurado nila na may enough silang pondo?
Regarding your cash flow, ang unang-una natin titignan is if you have enough capital to run the business. Ano yung runway, gaano kahaba, ilang months or ilang years pang tatakbo yung business without any need for additional fund or additional support. And depending on your business model, whether naka-sole proprietorship kayo ngayon or incorporation po ba yung model ng business, you can source for additional funds in many ways. Isa na po dyan yung maghahanap ka ng additional investor, or isa rin po dyan yung ginagawa ng Global Dominion Financing ngayon, which is to finance yung mga business owners and SMEs. And you can do that by refinancing, so pagsasangla ng ORCR ng inyong car or truck if you have any, o kaya financing naman. So not necessarily expanding monetarily, but kung kailangan nyo ng additional unit ng cars or trucks for logistics purposes, you can also do so.
Right now ba, meron ba kayong struggle when it comes to your funds? Kinakapos ba? Kumusta naman?
Well divided naman kasi yung mga funds namin in business, especially in our case na we do not have any loans. We started from small capital, tapos nirol yun namin yung funds. So what we do, we have emergency funds just in case for economic risk. We also have capital, yung paparol yun namin, and we have the savings. So that's what we are doing right now.
O, diba? Makakanegosyo, makinig kayong mabuti, ha? Kasi ang pagninegosyo, hindi yan yung tipong pag kumita ka, wawaldasin mo na, or diba, gagastusin mo na, until na dumating sa point na pag kailangan mo na ng additional na puhunan, wala ka nang mailabas kasi nagastos mo na. So, tama yung ginawa ni Miss Ja, na pinaikot niya until na nakapag-open siya ng another branch niya. How about you, Sir Peter?
It is also I don't know, it is also an advice siguro na kapag ka talagang kumita ka, mas maganda talaga yung portion by portion, alam mo kung saan mo dadalhin eh.
Na he mentioned earlier na they plan before they expand, which is the best thing na i-share mo during this discussion, sir. I think ganun dapat lahat yung mga kanegosyo natin if they're planning to expand or if they're planning to borrow money from a financial institution. Kailangan meron muna silang plano. Katulad ng businesses nilang dalawa, when you know you're ready, alam mo na yung formula. Ang gagawin mo na lang is i-replicate yun through additional branches. Isa na yun sa pinakamalaking senyales na ready ka also to avail of financing like yung product ni Global Dominion para makapag-expand ka.
O diba, ang laking tulong ni Sir Ian sa ating lahat. Ang dami nating mga info na nalalaman na hindi porket nandyan si Global Dominion, gagrab na agad natin. We have to make sure din or i-feel natin kung ready ba talaga tayo for the expansion or for the business na gusto nating i-open. Ang sarap kakwentuhan ni Sir Ian, no? Kaso kulang yung oras natin talaga, mga kanegosyo. Pasensya na kayo. Pero makakakwentuhan pa natin siya sa mga susunod na episodes natin. Miss Ja and Sir Peter, anong masasabi niyo sa mga advices ni Sir Ian?
Well, maganda yung idea for us na small and medium enterprises na in the near future na we decide to expand our business further, malaking tulong yung mga advices ni Sir Ian sa amin na we wanted to make sure that we have business plan first before availing a loan. Dapat mas malaki yung kikitain namin doon sa babayaran naming loan. Those are the things that we have to expand our knowledge about, especially if we wanted to expand in business.
Sa akin naman yung consideration talaga na meron palang mga company rin na pwedeng tumulong sa mga katulad namin. So why not try, di ba? Kung meron naman talagang company.
Nagkaroon ng idea si Sir Peter bigla para dun sa plan niyang 20 more branches.
Piling ko mag-uusap po kami after.
Yes, abangan natin yan. At again, maraming salamat. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Sir Ian, thank you so much.